Finally, welcome back. Now, this is how to get a character token in Subway Surf. First, you go to your mystery box and get car. These are common ones now because of what I did. Look, just to get, let me buy one mystery box to show you. Look, I just got a head start. Now buy another one. I'm going to buy another one. So no character. See, no character token. Now, all you have to do is on this mystery box. Too bad you can't see. Just hold it with two fingers like this, and exit it. Go back to your apps, open it, and press buy. You get a character token. It's just a glitch in the game. It's not a hack, just a glitch. And thank you, and goodbye.